Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. The primary search filter box allows you to search for specific items, which are the content submitted within a category by name. This can be useful for looking for specific articles, studies, or subtopics you or others have contributed on ItsA. But if you don't get the results you're looking for, make sure you don't have default filters or other filter boxes or filter categories selected, which narrows down the results you get. This can easily be resolved by clearing your filters with a clear filter button. I had my default filters of faith and politics activated, but now that I don't, you'll see I'm getting the intended results of my search for items which all have nuclear in the item title. A minimum of 3 characters is needed before the search will begin, and in this case I'm going to search on what content is available on the coronavirus. I can then click on the item, which I like infographics, so we'll choose that. From there, you can see a description of the item along with both the category keywords and item keywords that have been assigned to it. This is yet another way to find information on ItsA, but I'll get to that in another video. From there, you can go to the article and view the item. And you can see the infographic showing lots of stats on how the coronavirus is impacting people and how the media is reacting to it. This video has shown how to utilize the primary search filter at a basic level.